Hey everyone, my name is Emmanuel, and in this video, I'm gonna dig into all concepts needed for you to get started running Google Ads. So, I'm expecting this video to be around an hour, and you have to believe me, it's gonna be worth for you to watch as much as possible because I'm going to talk about or talk through some secret tips and tricks I use every day and scaling accounts and revenue as fast as possible. I'm also going to be adding chapters, breaking down into every section of this video. And this video is going to be useful for you so that you'll be able to jump around. And if you are new to Google Ads and if you want to a refresher course on 2024 on updated UI of Google Ads, and if you want to know the most current strategies that people use and the best media buyers are using in for the market to grow 25, 50%, and 100% over months. And I really recommend watching this video entirely and other videos from my channel. So I've spent countless number of hours specifically on Google Ads and YouTube ads, and also display ads. So I'm gonna give you a lot of free advices and techniques as I try to build this channel app. And if you want to improve your ad account, you want to spend as little as possible in generating conversions and revenue. You want to figure out how to be optimal and to scale as fast as possible. And in this business, motivational stuff is also included in this video. So keep watching this video, and it is a perfect video for you. By the end of the video, you will be going to know more than 95% of the people running ads on Google. So I know I'm asking a lot for your time, but believe me, I'm gonna do everything I can to make it worth. And with that being said, so let's start to dive in. And then if you have any questions at the end of this video at any point, please just take a second to write it down in the comments. And I'm a really small channel, but I read and respond to every one of your comments and questions. So I get so that I'm watching and reading all the comments, and I'm here to get you better and also get better results. So let's start off with the account creation and just creating your basic onboarding. I'm gonna assume that you can do anything with that, and you would really want to improve your business through Google Ads. So I really recommend just creating an account in Google Ads and create campaigns. And also, I would like to say that I don't want to create a campaign that is useless. We have to know how to create campaigns, how to go through the actual entire campaigning process so that it is less expensive, and it's gonna ask very less of you but give most results out there. So we are going to create an ad account, submit the billing process, and we are going to create some basic ads. There are different types of ads: display ads, YouTube ads, and the ads that we see in the list. So and also we're gonna discuss about how to run your Google ad account, and what are the specifics that you need to focus to improve the quality of your YouTube account or a or a website that you have built, how to actually set up Google Ads in a way that it is most fruitful and very interesting to improve your customer base or client base. So the structure of Google Ads is set up in a way that you reach most potential customers based on specific geographical locations. So in this video we're gonna detailedly discuss about how to set up that, and how to make your ad more successful, by adding tags, by adding location, by including the nitty-gritties of ad campaigns, and how you're going to use an AI tool called Peppersoft to actually make this process easier. So guys, if you want to take a look at Peppersoft AI tool, I've included the link in the description. Please check it out, guys, and it's going to be super helpful in setting up your campaigns in Google Ads, and it's going to be pretty useful for you to actually start working on Google Ads. So basically I want to start by saying that how are you going to set up ads? Why are you going to set up ads? You set up ads because you're gonna have your company be out in the public, and you want to display it's alive, and it is gonna be there for some time, and you're gonna develop a customer base, give out promos and offers, which is quite openly displayable in the search engines lists. So we're gonna combine this with keywords, and we're gonna have a perfect ad setup. So guys, I think this video is gonna be pretty useful for you, and we're gonna use AI technology. We are going to use the latest methodologies involved in setting up ads in this particular video in 2024. So this video is gonna be a learning curve, but I believe that this is gonna improve your Google ad campaign strategies, and you're gonna get most out of it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in this course we're gonna talk about a few things, so I'm gonna list it out one by one. So first we're gonna talk about how to create a Google ad account, and the second thing is we're gonna talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using a Google ad account, and the third thing we're gonna discuss about in this video is how can you customize the ad to reach multiple audiences or to reach the target audience. So number 4, we're going to talk about how to create campaigns. There are different campaigns specific to YouTube, as well as display ads. So we're going to talk about all that. And number 5, we're going to talk about how to use AI to make ads better. So we're gonna look at AI enabled Google ad headlines, or creating descriptions using AI tools. For that we'll be using Peppersoft AI, and we're gonna look at that. And number 6, we're gonna talk about how to add images to your ads and make it look better. And we're also gonna discuss as step 7, which is gonna be adding images to your ad. This time the image is logos, so we're gonna discuss about how to add logos. And also number 8, we're gonna discuss about how to add a geographical location, how to create targeted ads. And number 9, we're going to discuss about how to add keywords to your ads so that it becomes specific to people who actually search for that particular ad. So this whole course is gonna be a big package, so I hope you guys watch it through the entire video, and get help in creating a better Google ad in 2024. So first, I would like to give you an outline of this tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna look at how to set up an account with Google AdWords, and then we're going to talk about what are different types of ads that Google has to offer and what are their uses, significances of those particular ads. And third, we're going to discuss what are the strategies that we can do to actually increase our sales using Google Ads. So without any further ado, let's get started, and here we go. Alright, as you can see, I'm in the Google page here. I'm gonna simply search for Google Ads. There you go. You can either do a Google search as Google Ads and you would find the result here, or you can just type ads.google.com to actually visit this site. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Google Ads. Alright, so as you can see, this is the page of Google Ads. So I haven't set up any account for me right now. So if we want to talk to them before setting up an account, so you can actually schedule a meeting with Google guys, and they would help you set up your account and help you come up with the best plan possible for you and how much credit you should use for your Google ad account. Alright, so having said that, look at this web page. So it says it gives you many ways to be seen. So you can be seen on search, you can be on display of the Google Play aisle. If you can as you can see, there used to be a Google Play aisle whenever you open Google Play Store in your phone, and you could be in display, and you could set up your own shopping stuff come up in Google when they search for some particular cloth item, or you could feature your video on Google using YouTube. And also when it comes to app, you can just make your app come to the top. So there are 5 ways where you can use Google Ads. So it can be a search ad, it can be a display ad, or a shopping ad, or a video ad, or an ad for an app that you want to promote. Alright, having said that, let's go to sign up offer. I'm searching from UK, so it's gonna be offer A, offer B, and offer C. So we've got a minimum of £400 ads in credit, and £800 ads in credit, or 1,200 ads per credit. Alright, so I'm in the UK, so I have this, but if you are in other countries, you would find different types of ads. So you can choose one among them, which would be a promising time where you can actually use this credit and do a little bit of campaigns for your business. Alright, so alright, this is the promise that Google Ads offer. So we can maximize leads, increase online sales, drive in-store foot traffic, show your brand to more people, and market your app to new users. Alright, so this is what we would like to do with our business as well. So good, power of Google for your business. So it says because we can reach our customers wherever they are through Google, because everyone's online. So great, track, learn, and optimize for return on investment. Yeah, we can actually track our ads, how they're performing and all that in the Google Ads account, and we can stay in full control of our budget. We can either invest, or in case if you don't feel like it's working out, you can actually pull off the funds and wait for an alternative strategy. All right. um, and that's pretty much it, what this landing page has to offer. So alright, I'm gonna go ahead and click on sign in. I'm gonna click on new Google Ads account here, but before that I would like to read what this says. You do not have a Google Ad account, so would you like to create a new one? Yeah, yes, I will. Alrighty then, now I'm gonna create my first campaign here. So there are a few steps. So the first step is add business information, and then creating your ad and setting your budget. So I'm gonna click on create your first campaign. Alright, I'm gonna say ABC company, maybe. So I don't have a website yet. Alright, maybe I can just give a phone number or my app download page, but what I would say is if I give a valid account, that would be great. So what I will do is I'm gonna create a Google Ad account with the business name that I already have created with another site, and I'm gonna actually log out of this account, and I'm gonna have a new Google Ad account set up for me from that account. So I'm gonna just go ahead and switch my account to that account. Alright, so still in this account too I don't have a Google Ads account, so I'm gonna create new Google Ads account. And I'm gonna click on create your first campaign, and as you can see I have a business name. Alright, so alright, I'm gonna say my business name is Beppo Scheduler, and I'm gonna give my website address to be www.bepposcheduler.com, and pretty much that's it for now, because I just have set up my business name and my website. Alright, I'm gonna click on next, and they are reviewing my URL. Alright, I'm just gonna see if some of my channel account from YouTube or business profile that I've created under this account is to be linked to my Google Ads account, which I don't want. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna skip this part, and if I have a mobile app that I would want to attach, I can add this here. If I just click here, it just asks me if I could find the app. So if I click on Android and if I enter the app name, I would be able to find the app, and if I click done, the app would be connected for my account. And if my business needs someone to call me, I would add my phone number here, and I could choose the country and the phone number here and click on done, and we can actually add a phone number. Alright, for now I would like to add my website name and my business name, and that's what I'm going to give right now. So I'm going to click on next now. Alright, now comes the main part. What's your main advertising goal? Are we inclined towards getting more calls, or are we looking at more website sales or leads that we need to create, or do we need to get more visits to our physical location? And if we have a YouTube channel, do we need to get more views or engagement on YouTube? So is that my main advertising goal? So I'm gonna basically say that out of these four, I like to get more website sales or leads. I want people coming in, visiting my site, and thereby increasing my sales. So I'm gonna choose this one out of all the other stuff, and I'm gonna click on next. So it says, we didn't find Google Analytics for your website. Set it up now to get a clear picture of your ad performance. So I think I've already created my Google Analytics account. So I'm just gonna click on get started over here, and you have access to Google Analytics properties, but they aren't set up on your website. So alright, I can just say like use my existing Google Analytics property and set it up on my website, because I've already created a Google Analytics account if you looked at my previous video, you guys. So alright, so I'm gonna use my existing Google Analytics property and create my Google Analytics property in this Google Ads. Alright, I'm gonna click on next. Alright, so as you can see guys, I already have a website for Pepper Schedulers. Alright guys, I'm looking at my website here, and this is something that we have already created. It's nothing new guys, so it's fine. So something that's we've been working on right now, so it is a work in progress. So alright guys, so our Google Ads account has already found a URL for us, and see we can actually click here to view URLs. So yeah, we have found the URL that we would like to connect, and as you can see, there are two tabs here. If I want leads, there is a specific set of actions that I can do, and if I want sales, I can do a specific set of items. So if I want leads, I would need customer to contact me. I would like a page for someone to schedule an appointment. So I would have to create a page for that, and just click on apply to add a page for scheduling appointment with us. And if I click on this area here, so in case if you want your customers to fill in some information that you need from them, you can actually dedicate a page for that and click on apply here, and you would actually have that particular page added for customers to fill in their information. All right, now if some customers request a quote, you would have to redirect them to a particular page, right? So you can add in the particular page that you want to redirect when they need a quote, and click on apply. All right, so if they want to sign up for a product or service, you can actually send them to the confirmation page, which I haven't created, but you can actually create it. All right, and set it up here. Alright, so for now I'm not gonna do anything, but I want to do look at sales. What if customers complete a purchase? I can show up a confirmation page that they have done the purchase, or a thank you page. I could set up that page and make them actually look at that page. Or when the customers begin checkout, you can actually show them up the checkout page that you've created. So you can do that here. All that is customizable, and you can do it here. All right,
So you can enter the web page where customers can add items to their shopping carts. So you can create a shopping cart page, which is cool. All right. So also I can create a page for confirmation that a subscription is confirmed. So I can do that here as well. All we have to do is include the URLs that we've created for that particular action and then click on next. So for now I need leads, so I will just stick to that and click on next. Alright, so I'm gonna write an ad. So as you can see, we can include a headline, and we could add another headline, and we could add another headline. So as long as we want headlines, you can add up to 4 headlines. All right, so I'm gonna say, yeah, Daisy Christmas, beauty products and more, professional beauty services, something like that, and you can, I just added a website, for the Google ad account, but you could create any sort of ads here, and you can actually look at those ads, how do they look in the preview area here. So as you can see, I've added Daisy Christmas, so yeah, it looks like this, and also beauty products and more, professional beauty services and all that. So also I can see the third one, professional beauty services and all that. We can actually look at the ad preview. We can switch between which one looks better, and then you can actually click on play preview here and actually look at the ads playing up here. Alright, so like one by one. Alright, I'm gonna pause it now, and we've created a good decent ad here, and I'm gonna click on descriptions here, and I'm gonna say beauty services in United Kingdom, and shop Pepper Scheduler, let us help you get the products, and all these descriptions. But you can add your own custom descriptions, which you can actually look in the ad preview area here, and you can actually show a call button in your ad, and you can include a phone number, which I'm not doing it right now, but if you do want to do a call button in your ad, you can do that. And if you do that, you get a button which says call us now, and you can set up a phone number for that. Alright, so I'm gonna click on next, and it says we don't have a headline, so I'm just gonna click on the headline number 4 and click on the X button there to delete. Alright, now I'm gonna click on next once again. Alright, it says add images to get more attention for your ads. So I can add a new image from the web or upload. So either if I click on upload images, I can upload images from my sort of system, my PC, or I could just do it from the web. Alright, I'm gonna just click on upload and click on upload images. I'm gonna choose a page like this, an image like this, and I'm just gonna click on open, and I have added an image. Alright, so now we can choose whether to use a landscape version of it or a square version of it, and all that. And I'm going to click on done. So I have a landscape version 1 and the square version of the same image, so I'm going to click on done. This might be useful in creating customized ads, right? And I would like to add a logo. Again, I'm gonna upload my image, and I'm gonna say I'm gonna add this one, the same one, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit of edit over there. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and look at the logo once it's been uploaded. Or I could just create a logo of my own from Canva, guys. So I'm just gonna quickly log in, and there we go. We are gonna start doing our logo. This doesn't look like a logo, so I'm just gonna cancel this, and I'm gonna have a logo creator here by typing in logo and hitting enter. So I'm gonna have a new design, and I'm gonna click on logo. And I'm gonna search for some logo templates. I think anything like this would do. So I could just say I am Emmanuel, and there you go. I've created my own logo. So I'm gonna click on share, and I'm gonna do a download. Yeah, I'm gonna click on download. It's gonna work its thing, and I'm gonna get a downloadable logo file here. So I'm gonna put it on my desktop over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and try uploading a new image. I'm gonna go ahead and logo, and then I'm gonna search for the logo, and I'm gonna click on open. So in the meanwhile, I would like to talk to you guys about Canva. Canva's got a lot of designs inbuilt, and you can do logos, you can do social media, you can do presentations, videos, websites, all that you can do in Canva. So Canva is really useful, you guys. I've included a link in the description if you want, guys. Check it out. Alright, I'm gonna click on done here, so that I will have a campaign created for me from the preferences that I've just included. So I'm waiting on that, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna click on next. Alright, choose the terms your customers are searching for on Google. So since we are doing a Christmas promotion, I can actually have these terms included. And if I want a new keyword theme, I can add some keyword themes as well here. So Google has suggested me some other that I can add. Just click on this and it'll be added to my terms. So great. I can do a few other selected terms for my particular ad, and always I can choose the language that I want to advertise in. So I'm gonna do it in English because it's more inclined towards the United Kingdom audience. So I'm going to choose English, but you can also choose other languages. Just saying it in there. Alright, so if I click on next, so it asks me advertise in a near an address. Right, so I can actually choose an address, where to actually put up my ad. So I can choose the mile radius. I can have a 50-mile radius, or I can go up to 40-mile radius, or this is something that we can do in Google Ads. So we can choose as minimum as 3-mile radius, and we can advertise our ads, or we can choose 40-mile radius and do that as well. Or we can just choose the postcode, any postcode, city, country, county, all that information here, and you can actually show up your ad in right places, wherever you want to advertise. uh, wherever you want to advertise. If you want to advertise all around the globe, you can just add a postcode, zip code, whatever here, and have those added to your list of postcodes, and advertise near that particular address. Alright, so I'm going to click on advertise near an address, and I'm going to choose probably a 15-mile radius for now. Click on next. Actually, now we are presented with an option to select the budget. You can have a £1.50 for daily average. You can have 110 ad clicks each month. You can have it for $4. £4.60. You can actually have 330 ad clicks each month. Or if you're spending £11, you're gonna have at least 790 ad clicks each month. So they have given a budget option. You can choose one among them, or you can just enter your own budget. You can choose anywhere between 0 to a maximum of £85. So you can, for example, I'm gonna choose like £10 now, or I can just go manually enter £10 here, and I'm gonna click on next. So as you can see, before creating that campaign, I can look at the campaign name, what is the campaign's goal, the website that it needs to redirect, what is the business name, add text, descriptions, okay, the images that we've added, keyword phrases, the locations of a company, and what is going to be our daily average. And if I'm gonna click on next here, so it redirects me to confirm the payment info. So here I can create a payments profile here by including my organization's name, what type of organization, address, and I could create a payments profile here, or I could actually include the purpose of my business use, tax information according to UK laws, and what are the payment methods that I can use to make this ad come to place, and do we actually want personalized campaign guidance from Google Ads. If we just check this one out, we can actually choose a guidance expert from Google Ads to actually help us out in setting up our ads and campaigns. So that's all, guys. If you just click on submit, you'll be creating a new campaign for a Google ad that you want to do, and you would have a blast with Google Ads, because Google Ads actually lets you to create ads specific to certain locations, and you can choose the amount of spends that you are gonna do for each campaign, and you'll be able to customize these campaigns with keywords, and you don't even have to rank with search engine optimization for this. All you have to do is spend some money and get your Google Ads account set up, and create some campaigns, so that you'll be able to create ad campaigns using Google Ads. Now let me talk about an interesting thing. So we have already spoke about this AI tool that we've been using recently. So I'm gonna go ahead and search for Peppersoft.ai. So there is an interesting thing that you can do in Peppersoft AI when it comes to Google AdWords. So let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I'm logged in into my Peppersoft AI account, and I'm gonna go choose the ads area over here. And as you can see, there are different types of ads that I can do, and as you can see in the Google Ads, when we were setting up new campaigns, we were looking at something called a headline. there were 3 headlines, so I can actually choose a Google ad headline. So I'm gonna choose my product to be Christmas tree, and I want to say it has to be a Christians as our target audience, and I can just choose Christmas tree, Christmas time, something like this, and I'm gonna have this tone to be set standard and click on generate. So I'm gonna choose on the description of the product, so it's gonna be a Christmas pine tree duplicate. Alright, so I'm gonna just click on generate here, and as you can see, Peppersoft is thinking, and I will get a nice Google ad headline. So this is something that I've done without thinking, you guys. You can actually do something which is suitable for you, you know. So as you can see, it has given me an output, celebrate Christmas with joy. So I can just create a ad campaign like that using a Google ad headline. Alright, so you can also use this Peppersoft AI for Google ad description, you know, again repeat the same thing once again, and try doing Google ad description, you guys. So I'm gonna just try again, Christmas tree, Christmas pine tree for celebrating Christmas, and target audience is Christians. Buy Christmas tree should be my keyword, or Christmas products, and I can just click on generate, you guys, and there we go. We've got a nice Google ad description that we can, you know, include in our ads, which we had to do manually every time by thinking on our own with Google ads. You know, Peppersoft AI just does it for us, so this is pretty useful, guys. Alright, let's look at Google ad headline enhancer. You know, you can actually just paste the text that you have added as your headline, and it simply enhances the headline. So I'm gonna just say Christmas tree for Christmas celebrations, and I have created a Google ad headline, and I'm gonna have a search keywords for Christmas tree, and I'm gonna click on generate. So it's gonna give me a alternative headline for my Google ad, which is great. So I can go back here, guys, and I can see I can also include a description enhancer. So I can click on the ad enhancer, and I can just paste whatever the description I've written already, and it's gonna give me a good enhanced description as well, which is great from Peppersoft AI, you guys. I've included the link in the description. Please check it out, guys. So it's gonna be very super helpful for you to create a personalized Google ad. Alright, having said that, I'm gonna go back to my, you know, Google Ads account for setting up everything, you know. So if I get more views and engagement on YouTube here, and click on next, look at how the campaign changes. Let's check that out, guys. So see, what do you want to focus on? Do you want to drive video views and traffic to your website? Yes, I do want to do that, and also I need engagement with my client. So I'm gonna click on video views and engagement with my channel. I just want to search for a video and paste its URL. I can paste the URL if I already have a video, and let me check it out from our own website, our own YouTube channel, you guys. Alright, I'm gonna search for our own YouTube channel, you guys. I'm gonna choose our channel, and I'm gonna choose one video from there. Alright, I'm just gonna visit this video, and I'm gonna copy video URL here, and I'm gonna go here and just paste the video URL, and you would get a campaign here. So how do you want your ad to appear? You can do something like this, or choose something like this, something attractive. All right, so I can do a description here because we have AI. So I can have a Google ad headline, create it in seconds, and create a description line too. So I'm gonna have a video ad tutorial. So I'm gonna create a Google ad headline. I'm gonna say WordPress SEO tutorial, and I can say a tutorial to learn WordPress SEO strategies. All right. Alright, so learn WordPress SEO should be my set keyword. I'm gonna click on generate here, you guys. So there you go, we got a nice ad headline. I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna go ahead and paste it here. So alright, once I do that, I will have a good headline here, and for the description I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. Alright, I'm gonna copy this and go back, create a description from the headline here, and you can say SEO tutorial for WordPress. Alright, and I'm going to click on generate once again. There you go, we've got a nice Google ad description. So I'm going to go ahead and paste that as description line number 1, and I'm going to do it once again. So I want to click on generate once again, see how it goes. So we've got one more Google ad description, which is super easy, you guys. I'm gonna just paste it over here, and I think this is pretty large, so I can remove some of it, which is too much. So I'm just gonna stay with this one, and I'm gonna stay with this one too. So I can say get results. Alright, so I can take a look at how it looks desktop and in mobile, how my ad looks like, what my ads thumbnail looks like, and all that information here. So I'm just gonna include this course as my ad, as my entire ad, or I can just do increase traffic to the website videos, and it says videos are longer than 3 minutes and don't usually perform as well as short videos, because short videos are short ads from which people come and visit your website, but we are looking for engagement, so we can do whatever that we prefer when it comes to YouTube ads. Alright, if we click next, I'm gonna choose the country again, the same old stuff. You can add the location where you want, blah blah blah, once again, and you can create your own specific Google ad, which is great, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna discard this one. All right, so I'm gonna go back again. I'm gonna go back again. Back again. All right. Alright, so now I just want someone to get more visits to my physical location and see how my ad is gonna be. It's gonna be similar to what we have seen already. So I think the YouTube video ad is gonna have something different than the other ads. So I'm gonna go ahead and try get more calls and click on next. There you go. It's similar to what we have seen with other type of ads. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and search for Google Ads once again, and as you can see there are a few terms here which says keyword planner, manager accounts. What are these? I would like to know about all that, and I just want to know how it all works, so we have a link for that too, and all that other stuff. So first I'm gonna click on keyword planner. I'm gonna click on open link and new tab. So I'm gonna try looking at what keyword planner is all about. Alrighty guys, so if I click on keyword planner, I'm gonna be redirected to the keyword planner page, where I'd be suggested keywords or maybe have help with my upload of keywords. So finger crossed here guys, so let's take a look. Alright, it says choose the right keywords, so we can get ideas through Google Ads solutions. So we can find suggested keywords, we can find we can actually analyze those keywords, get bid estimates, because for particular keywords we're gonna have a lot of bids for a particular keyword. So if you say clothing store, there's gonna be a lot of people bidding on that, so the pricing for each click is gonna be higher when it comes to a more generalized keyword. But you can start with other keywords and you can start paying for those keywords, and you can get recommendations on those particular keywords from Google Ads, and you can install your Google Ads mobile app to have better results. You can have your own Google Ads insights page where you can look at the trends on which keyword has costed you more and given you more results, and all that information. Alright, so if I click on the research tab here, I can analyze the keywords, and if I click on estimate, I can get bid estimates, and if I click on the plan tab here, I can actually create a plan to how much to invest in a particular keyword and how much is my competition investing in that keyword and all that. Alright, so if I click on get started over here, I'm gonna be redirected to another page. So as you can see, I've already set up my website and business information and all that. So I'm just gonna choose one of these and click on next, and I'd be redirected to this particular page over here which says new campaign, and there you go. So basically it gives me the same page again. So I think the campaign key, there is no special keyword planner or something which we used to do with SEMrush, but guys, okay, this is something that Google Ads have to offer. Alright guys, so let's go back and look at how it all works. So if I click on how it all works, I'm gonna go ahead and look at how it all works with Google Ads, how to set up our account, and campaigns and all that information listed out for me in a Google Ads page. So you can actually discover how Google Ad works, how to create, set up, and launch a campaign, which we've already seen. So first, add your business info, which we already did. Select your campaign goal, which we already did, and create our ad. Yeah, we did that too. And choose your audience and budget. Yes, and finalize and launch your campaign. So once you launch your campaign, so let me show you how the campaign looks like. So I'm gonna just choose holidays in Thailand, and I'm gonna hit the search button. So as you can see, there is a sponsored area over here which says Dial Flight, and this is a sponsored post from dialaflight.com. And also we've got Virgin Holidays, which are a sponsored post, you guys. And as you can see, there are a lot of sponsored posts. These are all coming from Google Ads, which is really interesting because you don't have to rank at the top, but your ads will be displayed at the top, even above the first search result that we have SEO'd for. So this is really cool, guys. So it's gonna be super helpful if you create a Google Ads account. And actually these ad accounts are gonna be expensive. They're gonna cost you some bucks, but still super useful, super intuitive, and really helpful in increasing the leads, increasing the traffic for your website, and increasing overall sales, possibly, if you do your job better. So ads is just an tool to increase the number of visitors to your site, but of course you're gonna do it more efficient by getting good reviews and all that. So of course, so as we are talking about Google Ads here, so guys, you can try Google Ads and see if it works for you, and let me know in the comments how useful it was for you. PeppleSoft AI not only helps you with your Google ad, it can also help you with Facebook ads, primary text of Facebook ad, or a headline enhancer for your web Facebook ad, and primary text enhancer also for a Facebook ad. So you can also do that for Twitter as well here, and you can do the same for a LinkedIn ad and Pinterest. There's a lot of other ads as well. So you can actually use PeppleSoft AI to help you out with all of these ads, right from creating a headline to primary text to whatever that you actually need to do with this ad, because an ad is actually a way of expressing what are the services, what are the advantages that you can offer your clients or customers, and that is very important for a business. So I hope this AI tool is what you need at most for creating an efficient ad campaign, and whatever that you're looking at, it's gonna be an easy process, not only to actually set up a Google Ads account, but also putting in attractive keywords, attractive headlines for your ads. It's gonna also make some eyes roll at your ad, and maybe that might be a factor to actually come and look into your website. So setting up a Google ad is really important, and using AI tools like PeppleSoft AI is really helpful, you guys. You can create cross platform AI AI generated ads, and you can do it in all the social media platforms, all the platforms that are out there, and have your company or organization reach out to millions of people. And this is like really a powerful tool. Of course, it's gonna have some of its demerits. What if there are a lot of click impressions, but I don't have that click impression converting to my sale or my existing client or customer base. I'm just accumulating up on cold leads. If I want warm leads, what do we have to do? It's simple, you guys. Make it more interesting, make it more useful for your client or customer base, and it's gonna bring you a lot of advantage over your competitors. But also, even though you use Google Ads or any sort of AI tool, you're gonna have to come up with some competitor research and what they do in order to beat them in their own business or their game. So it's really important, you guys, to set up a best Google ad and have a good campaign and have a lot of payouts coming from that particular campaign, because you're gonna invest some money in it. So it's gonna bring you some fruits. So great. Being that said, so you guys, this is Google Ads for you, and there's a lot more you can do with Google Ads. You can create customized videos, you can create customized images, you can use Canva, you can use Peppersoft AI, you can use these AI tools to actually create a fantastic Google Ads, and you can actually improve your sales. Alright, you guys, I hope this video was really useful for you, and I really think that you've learned something from my Google Ads tutorial videos, you guys. So in case if you have any queries, any questions that you want to ask me, just post it on the comments and I'll be happy to reply. Hit us a like if you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel and make us grow. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching this video, and looking forward to meet you in the next one. Thanks.